You want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi, everyone. Happy Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today is Tuesday the 22nd. I cannot believe Vlogmas is already almost over, you guys. Like, we're down to the last, 3 days of Vlogmas. It has been super fun. I believe everyone pretty much goes until the day of Christmas for Vlogmas. I was thinking initially it was for the entire month of December, but I think it ends on Christmas Day. At least I think that's where I'm going to end Vlogmas at. I apologize for my lack of vlogging yesterday. Yesterday was our anniversary. It was okay, you know. I'm just gonna say it was okay. I guess because, you know, with COVID and stuff, there's only so much we really got to do outside of being at home. And dinner was kind of a fail last night, so I was bummed about that. You want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi, everyone. Happy Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas, everyone. Say hello. All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Okay, so while I sit here chilling with Miss Kaya. With Miss Kaya. Miss Kaya, pretty Kaya. Yeah, dinner was, like I said, a fail yesterday, because I left to go get my hair done. I did not anticipate being gone as long as I was. I cannot talk. You guys, I was gone almost 4 hours yesterday. I've had to wait a little bit even after they moved my appointment to a later time. I got there right on time for the later time, and then I still had to wait. And then just the whole process, because I shared on my social media, like, I had my hair cut yesterday, like cut off. Yeah, I haven't taken it out of my scarf and styled it for the day today because I'm still just chilling in my pajamas. And you guys, I just feel like I needed a change. I did not get any color put in, like highlights or anything. I am still thinking about highlights, and I may go back and get that done in a couple more weeks or something, because I was really tired of where my hair has fallen out, and overall styling it is annoying because I have to style it in a way that I make sure I'm covering up all the parts of my head where my hair was thin or where it has fallen out and broken off or whatever. And I just got tired of trying to do that all the time, even when I wasn't like heat styling it. And I'm also trying to like avoid doing that as much as possible because I didn't want to add to the damage that's already been done to my hair. As I was saying, so yeah, I'm curious to see like if like my curl pattern is gonna change or anything, being that I did get it cut basically down to a pixie cut, and then it's very long in the front, in the top like front part of my hair. My husband really loved it. I was very surprised, you know, his response, because he was already kind of nervous yesterday when I told him I was getting it cut yesterday. He was just kind of like, how short are we going with your hair, like, because obviously he loves my hair and he loved my longer hair. But, you know, seeing his reaction when I came in yesterday was really reassuring and made me feel good about doing it too. I like that my husband likes my hair and likes to see how I style it or what I get done to it, and just all the different looks I like to do sometimes, even when I get it braided or something. So yeah, it just felt good to see. As far as anything today, we're just going to be chilling. Since making dinner ended up being a fail, because yeah, I was at the salon almost 4 hours, and just goes to show you guys, always work on your communication in a relationship, because I was not anticipating being gone that long to get my hair done, because they were a little bit behind. And so because it took that long, I never grabbed my phone to think, oh, let me text my husband and tell him, hey, they're running behind, I'm gonna be a little bit longer, can you start the dinner for tonight, because I wanted us to have a nice meal at home for our anniversary. And instead of me doing that, I didn't. And don't make assumptions either, I must say, because men just they're not mind readers. And so I should have known my husband was not going to think, oh, she's been gone a while, maybe I should start dinner. Because when I got home, him and Kaya were chilling on the couch, half asleep. There was no dinner cooked or anything when I got home, so we just ate leftovers.